CheerTok facilitates swift Bluetooth pairing and offers intuitive operation through its user-friendly touch panel. Tapping on the touchpad yields mouse-like click effects, while smooth gestures enable seamless page scrolling. Additionally, utilizing the volume control keys on the side allows for efficient management of PC work time. It consistently delivers outstanding user experiences across various scenarios, such as meetings, educational settings, or speeches. Pressing the home button effortlessly emits a powerful red laser, garnering more attention to presentations and lectures. Unlike other digital microscopes, the Miao Lab Phone microscope doesn't require an app to operate. Simply attach it to your phone, and within minutes, a whole new micro world unfolds. This pocket microscope makes a fantastic gift for children and students, fostering deeper parent-child relationships and stimulating curiosity about nature. Collaborating with the phone's zoom function, it achieves a magnification of 200 times, allowing you to capture and share every tiny moment. The MOMAX Charger stands out as the first transparent magnetic wireless car charger with a sleek cyber design, featuring a glass cover and aluminum frame. It serves as the perfect accessory for MagSafe standard iPhones, providing a silicone surface and an ultra-slim aluminum alloy frame for secure phone storage. It offers easy navigation and can be conveniently installed on an air vent mount. Simplifying driving, the magnetic charging car mount allows you to view your iPhone on a snap-on magnetic surface while wirelessly charging it. The remarkable two-paper tablet redefines note-taking, reading, and document reviewing with a paper-like feel unlike anything experienced on digital devices. At just 4.7 millimeters thin, it stands as the thinnest tablet in the world. Organize notes and documents with folders and tags, write directly on PDFs, and convert handwritten notes into typed text, all in one place for easy retrieval. With unlimited cloud storage and synchronization, you can work from smart devices using the remarkable app. Quickly transfer Microsoft documents to the paper tablet to draft and review documents or slides by hand. The Pivo Pod Lite is perfect for recording workouts and creating content. With AI motion tracking, 360 deg panning, and fun editing modes, the Pivo Pod Lite Sports helps you easily capture videos and photos. Simply attach Pivo to your smartphone and pair via Bluetooth, and the camera magically tracks every movement. Smooth transitions between face tracking and body tracking allow you to record more dynamic and captivating videos. With the fun and easy-to-use Create mode, you can maximize the capabilities of your smartphone camera to create stunning content in seconds. No more begging friends to take photos or videos or bribing them. It's all covered with Pivo Pod Lite. The FunFlix G1 mini projector is easily portable for use anywhere. It features IP5X dustproof rating, less than 33 dB noise, and the latest generation fully sealed optical engine with effective dustproofing and 0% brightness loss, boasting 20% longer lifespan and brightness compared to standard models. FunFlix G1 excels in portability and durability. With smart correction, you can adjust keystone vertically and horizontally, and easily adjust screen size with zoom function without moving the projector. The built-in hi-fi stereo surround speakers provide powerful audio effects, and Wi-Fi enables fast and smooth screen mirroring from various devices. It's suitable for parties, home theaters, outdoor camping, and more.